Welcome to NCAP TV. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to get the stink out with Odorcide. Stay tuned. Let me tell you about Odorcide. Odorcide is a product that we've handled for several years here at Excellent Supply, and we love it, and our customers love it. Here's why. First of all, let's start with what Odorcide really impressed us with to begin with. As an odor counteractant, first of all, it works really well, but it doesn't mess with our encapsulation. And that's important. We have a crystallizing polymer and release it, as you likely know. And if we put something in there that's going to mess with that polymer, we've got a problem. Well, what's great about Odorcide, particularly since it's so concentrated, it's not going to affect our encapsulation properties. In fact, you can use it with any carpet cleaning products. It works really, really well in carpet and upholstery applications, as well as on hard surfaces. So here you have a line of odor counteractants that are going to be highly effective in any scenario. Now, Odorcide, interestingly, goes after a wide variety of different markets. Like they go after the veterinary market. They have something for smoke. They've got a lot of different types of products, but at the core, here's what makes these products work. At the core, the engine, if you will, that's in there is very interesting what they're doing. They're not using an enzyme. They're not using a masking agent. You know, a lot of times people just jam it up with like cherry fragrance that just kind of masks over the stinky smell that's in the carpet or the odor that we're going after. So they mask it. So now you've got stinky smell plus cherry or whatever. What a ineffective way to try to treat an odor. What Odorcide does is it actually alters the odor molecule. In other words, it just messes with the molecule so that we can't smell it anymore. Clever idea. All odors have a specific shape, and our olfactory senses pick that shape up, and we identify the scent of a flower or a grapefruit, whatever, by a specific shape. So what Odorcide is doing is it's actually shape-shifting, if you will, and it's altering that odor molecule so that we can't smell it. It's a brilliant idea. Now, this is their original product. It's their 210 Original Concentrate. Highly concentrated. I mean, this product goes a long way. So we've got a product here, very concentrated. What they did just a few years ago, they came out with the fresh scent version. So essentially there's two versions. There's the original Odorcide, been around for many, many years, highly effective. Fresh scent is the same product with a different scent. This product has become super popular as well. So we sell a lot of these two. Fresh scent has really taken off. People love the smell of fresh scent. Now, moving down the line, we have a less concentrated product. It's also a little bit less expensive to purchase. And this product is really geared for the carpet cleaning industry. It's called Duralast. It's designed specifically with the thought of adding it to your pre-spray, adding it in your extraction detergent, adding it to your encapsulation cleaner, adding it to your bonnet cleaner to go in there and work in a carpet cleaning application. Works really well. We got a couple of fragrances of this. We have it in a peach scent. This white linen smells fantastic. This kind of covers the spectrum of what we sell the most of for carpet cleaning. And then over here we have Oxirace. Now, Oxirace is an odor counteractant and also a spot remover. Keep in mind that a lot of spots or stains are attached to an odor. For example, a pet stain, urine stain, vomit, diarrhea. We've got an organic stain and an odor connected, and Oxirace goes in there, gets rid of the stain as well as the odor. Based on a hydrogen peroxide platform, goes in there and blows up that stain and the odor all in one shot. So really popular product. If you're working on pet stains, I highly recommend you give Oxirace a try because it takes care of the stain as well as the odor in one shot. So again, this is why we really love Odorcide products here at Excellent Supply. They're highly effective. They really get the job done well, and they work well with our encapsulation properties. They work well in a carpet cleaning environment, which, let's face it, that's what our customers primarily are here at Excellent Supply. So if you haven't tried them yet, give them a try. I'm sure that you're going to love them. It's just one more way that we're here to help you with your carpet cleaning business. We want to help you max your end cap. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that as well. And until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.